driving into Beatty, part 3. I try to keep these clips real short so they're not so hard to get off the cloud, you know. There's some kind of springs and water around here because everything turned green all of a sudden. Not to mention the hot springs and stuff in the area. But if you look over toward the right, you see the town of Beatty. Bailey. I'm thinking of Bailey's. I need a Bailey's. Look at that old airplane right there by that sign. Huh. Angels, ladies. All right, cool. That's what Mo was talking about. Angels, ladies. Oh, it's a brothel. I didn't know that. No wonder Mo knew about it. Angels, ladies. Okay. Maybe we'll stop and let Yuki out here. There's a town of Beatty in the distance. Driving into Beatty, part 4. Okay, we got speed limits now. Elevation 3,300. Okay. Here we go. Here's another one of those donkey signs. See? Open range donkey sign. Slow down. 25 miles an hour. Hey, that's amazing. They have the power station for the Teslas here. You wouldn't have thunk it, but they're getting up to date, so that's good. I like this. Look at this hotel, all with palm trees all over it. Pretty cool, and you could tell like the creek or something runs right down over here. Here's the hotel, casino, and a Denny's in it. for those that drive trucks, here's where the big trucks park, right here at the end of town. I don't know if they charge or anything, but that's where they all park. We're just gonna go here to the end of this motel, and then I thought I saw the creek over there, so we're gonna walk over there. I don't know if this deserves a woohoo, but it's a running water. It's the desert and it goes that way. We'll go see. Okay, I saw this creek over here, and I hope it's not crappy water, or like Wonderhussy says, ass water springs, but we're gonna go look at it anyway. Where did it go? I mean, it's running back there, but it's not running over here. Huh, we'll check. Okay, I guess what I thought was a creek was maybe it rained here recently or something. I don't know. I could have swore I saw a running creek back here, but there's a reason I don't want her to be jumping around that water, because if it's like any kind of runoff from the restaurant or these casinos or stuff, I don't want her jumping around in it, you know. Oh, look at this. A big old frog. He bought the farm a long time ago though. But look, Yuki, look. What is it? Don't eat it. Well, if I want her to walk around the water, I guess I have to go find one of those hot springs. This is at the edge of town of Beatty. Pretty cool little town. It sits in these little mountains. I don't know what they're called. Foothills and mountains. And then right when you hit town, you got this subway Denny / casino gas station. So that's cool. There's a pool over there. I think that's the restaurant over there. You're not going in, Yuki. No, you're not going in. Here's some water. I don't know if it's springs or not, but it comes rushing through here. Then it goes through the road, but hold on, Yuki. I'm gonna see if it's hot or not. I don't think it is. No, you can't go in. You can. I don't want you to drink that either. So, but no, it's not hot. But isn't it amazing? Out here in the desert mountains, water. Woohoo! Some more water out here in the desert. I don't know where this comes from or goes to, but it goes across the street and goes down for a while, and there's a creek that flows along the town. But pretty cool stuff. Woohoo! That's what I like. This is how you can tell there's water around too, is you got all these palm trees. You ready to run, Yuki? Come on, let's run. Come on. Because palm trees, I don't think do very good unless they have water. They must know the nightly places that give them food. Here, kid, calm down. It's a mule. It's a mule, see? They know where they're going. They're going somewhere to get something to eat.